This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01896691. New home. 1 year old, never lived in, and just minutes to Twain Harte and Sonora. Located on a quiet street with a beautiful setting. Attached 2-car garage, asphalt driveway, and a private back deck. Inside you'll find an open floor plan, gourmet kitchen with marble counters, 9-foot ceilings, and a spacious master suite. Large windows for natural light and for you to enjoy the pretty scene. https://crealtors.org/wp-content/uploads/2020/05/ all entrance notice and pictogram sign 52620.pdf. For more information, review the details below or contact Sam Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957.